If you wake up hungry, bloated, or you crash a few hours after eating, this is for you. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you a simple pre-breakfast drink that may support steadier energy, calmer digestion, and better appetite control throughout the day. No hype, no miracle claims. First, if you've been struggling with cravings, snack attacks, or that "my stomach feels off" feeling, you're not weak. A lot of the time, it's not motivation, it's physiology. How fast food moves through your system, how your blood sugar responds, and how your hunger signals get triggered. Here is the basic idea. Soluble fiber can slow digestion down and help you feel satisfied longer. When digestion is slower and steadier, many people notice fewer spikes and crashes in energy and cravings. Think of it like a speed limiter for your meal. Less of a sudden rush, more of a smooth ride. The drink is simple. Water, chia seeds, cinnamon. Lemon chia seeds are the main driver here because they re-rich in soluble fiber. When mixed with liquid, they thicken and can help you feel fuller. Cinnamon is mainly for flavor, and some research suggests it may modestly support blood sugar control in certain people. Lemon adds taste and can make the routine easier to stick to. Here's a basic version: 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, a squeeze of lemon, 1 to 4 to 1-2 teaspoon. Cinnamon, you can stir it in a glass or blend it. If you stir it, let it sit for a few minutes so the chia thickens. Drink it 10 to 15 minutes before your first meal. And if you're new to high fiber foods, start with 1 to 2 teaspoons of chia for a few days, then build up. The goal is not perfection. The goal is consistency. This is not a detox. It's not a cure. It's a supportive habit you can test. Track 3 things for 1 week. 1. Hunger and cravings. Digestion, bloating or regularity. Energy, especially late morning. And mid-afternoon, if those improve, great, keep it. If not, adjust it or skip it. Quick safety note. If you take diabetes medication, blood thinners, or you have digestive conditions that flare with fiber, talk to a clinician first. And always use enough water. Chia absorbs liquid.